Good
Hello,
manners
kids.
for kids.
Today, we will learn good manners. Let's go.
Please, you. Thank you. Break time. Break time. Sorry. Good morning, Grandpa. Santa. Would you like to play with this car? Yes, thank you.
Achoo! Oh, I must cover my mouth. Good job. That's good manners. I want to go first. Let's wait for our turn. It's more fun that way. You're right. I'll throw the trash in the bin. Yay! Clean and nice. All kids. Good manners make us good kids.